Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with two essentials: admin rights and a restore point, because drivers can change system behavior. Once those are in place, make sure any external monitor is connected if you'll test different adapters. Now open Device Manager via Windows key +X, then select Device Manager. You'll see display adapters listed. Expand it. This step locates the adapter entry you will change and prepares Windows to accept driver updates or swaps without guesswork. You now perform the core change. Right-click the target display adapter. Choose Update Driver to let Windows search, or Uninstall Device to remove the current driver before installing a specific package. If you have a manufacturer installer, run it after uninstalling. It ensures full feature support. If using a downloaded driver, run it as administrator and follow prompts. Make sure to avoid deleting drivers unless you have a replacement, because Windows may revert to it. You finish by restarting the laptop so the new driver initializes and hardware enumerates correctly. After boot, check display resolution, multiple monitor layout, and GPU-dependent features like hardware acceleration. If the screen is black or unstable, reboot into safe mode and uninstall the driver, then try a different version or run system restore to the point you created. As a troubleshooting tip, keep the working driver package handy and document any settings you changed, so you can revert quickly if.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.